Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are like used to my channel, you see me come on here, makeup is done, I'm already ready. You know this is about to be a real easy video. So y'all, this hair today was sent to me by Toyotress. Shout outs to them for sponsoring this video. They did send over to me, y'all, a headband wig. I have not had a headband wig in a long time. I'm super excited to do this hair because I love the ease and the convenience of headband wigs. They're literally a grab and go. If you can't do hair, if you don't know nothing about like lace or nothing like that, this is the right video. Like, you've come to the right place, and I'm just like super excited. So the hair that I got was their Kinky Curly. I think it's their Kinky Curly. Hopefully I'm remembering correctly what it is. Their Kinky Curly unit, and I got it in 20 inches in a color 1B. I will insert a video footage of what the hair looked like out of the packaging and all that, the unboxing on the screen. So after unboxing the hair, guys, I took it and I washed it, only because it's like a curly unit. I feel like curly units, when you wash them, it looks better. It gives you like a way better like curl, you know, situation. But I washed it with just regular, just shampoo, conditioner, whatever you have, just use it. Don't be going outside to buy anything special. That's just hair. So I washed it, and this is what it looks like now. The curls look really pretty. After washing it, I went in with the Style Factor Wig Out Curl Conditioning Gel. I've had this a very long time. I don't know, but you can get it at your local beauty supply store. I use just like a teeny weensy amount. I didn't use a lot because I didn't want the hair to be heavy, and I just like rubbed it on the hair while it was wet. After that, I went in with the Extreme Wetline Gel. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. Like, I literally just added a little bit on the hair, and I made it dry, and this is the results. I think the curls look really pretty. You can use whatever curling product you think will work for you. Definitely whatever curling product works. I think this hair is 150% density, if I can talk. It has like a more natural density, but I'm not mad at that at all. So I'm gonna go in and possibly add some more edge control to my edges. I'm gonna see. But my hair was in braids, guys, and for this wig, all I did was take them out because I need to wash my hair anyways. And I took them out and I pulled it back in like a ponytail situation, and I just have a wig cap on over it just to hold it in place. I feel like I'm gonna go in and put some edge control just on the around like the kitchen area, so when I have this headband wig on, you know, if I lift it up like this, it won't look crazy. So I'm gonna use my Style Factor hair pomade just on the back and possibly a little bit more on the front. Y'all, I don't have a lot of like extra edges or like a lot of swoopy kind of situation because my hairline is not low, it's all the way in the back. So act like we got a lot of swoops going on. You can do your edges however you want, whatever works for you, just do that. But I'm going to just do my edges and we're gonna pop the wig on. Super easy. I feel like the longest part of this whole process is just prepping your hair.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. Get like this.
the headband wig on, you can either leave your edges out or not. You could always wear the band over your hairline if you don't have enough like edges to leave out. But if you want like a more natural look, you can definitely like leave as much out as you want. I try to leave a good amount of mine out, so I pushed the headband a little bit further back. So now I'm just gonna go through with a wide tooth comb and comb the hair out so it can get like a bigger, because now it's really relaxed because I had the gel on there and the other styling product. But I'm just gonna like go through with this wide tooth comb as gentle as possible, just so we can make the hair bigger. And as I'm just gonna go through as gentle as possible to make the hair bigger. And the hair is 150% density. It's like a natural density, but I really don't mind. I'm gonna go through and comb the entire hair out. Do you see how much bigger it looks already? Guys, so this is the hair after I combed it out. It's giving very like natural curly hair kind of vibe. I love like the combed out effect. The only thing I would say is I wish it was a little fuller, but the density is 150, so I can't be mad at that. The hair does shed. I'm not gonna hold you, the hair does shed. Other than that, it's really soft, and I love the curls. Like, it's really soft. I wish y'all could feel it. It feels like a cloud. This is what it's giving y'all. Y'all already know these headband wigs, you can wear whatever color you want. What I love the most about the headband wigs is that they do come with this black band. So if you don't want to do any burst of color, any polka dots, any extra stuff, you can just do this and go about your regular day and you'll be fine. This is like the finished look, y'all. Like, let me know down below what y'all think. Be sure to check out Toyotress. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.